Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to define equator, describe the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere on globe, discuss about important parallels of latitudes, underline the various components of latitude, explain about different heat zones of the earth, differentiate the latitudes and longitudes, explain prime meridian, discuss the importance of standard time. Representation of latitude through globe. Globe. Globe shows a spherical model of Earth. It can rotate in a very similar manner as a potter's wheel. To locate specific places, we use certain points of references or lines. You can find a needle fixed in a tilted manner through the globe, known as its axis. North and South Pole are 2 points through which the globe needle passes. It can move around the needle west to east as well. Equator. It is an imaginary line running on the globe, dividing it into 2 equal parts. Equator plays a crucial role in dividing Earth's surfaces in the northern and southern hemisphere. It works as a reference point to locate different places on the Earth. Latitude. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at poles. In case of north of equator, we say 66.5 degree north, and in case of south of equator, we say 66.5 degree south. Lines of latitude measure north-south position between the poles. Parallels of latitudes. The parallel of latitude is an imaginary line around the Earth that is parallel to the equator. An example of a parallel of latitude is the Arctic Circle that runs east-west around the Earth at a latitude of 66 degree and half minutes. Important parallels of latitude. There are 4 important parallels of latitude. 1. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. 2. The Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south. 3. The Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree north. 4. The Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degree south. Heat zones of the Earth. Broadly, heat zones of the Earth is divided into 3 different parts. 1. Torrid zone. 2. Temperate zone. 3. Frigid zone. Torrid zone. This zone is bounded between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and experiences the vertical rays of the sun. It receives the maximum heat of the sun. Temperate zone. Longitude. Longitude. It is an imaginary line that specifies the east-west position of a location on Earth's surface. It runs from the top of the Earth to the bottom. The point where they meet at a point of north and south poles are known as meridians. Meridians of longitude. In the given image, you can see a set of lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole. These lines are called meridians or lines of longitude. All meridians are of equal in length. The distances between lines of meridians are noted in degrees. Each degree is further divided into minutes and seconds. Prime meridian. In 1884, all countries decided that the count of meridian should begin from Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. The meridian which passes through Greenwich is known as the prime meridian. Longitude and time. All the places situated east of Greenwich are ahead of Greenwich time while on the other hand, places situated west of the Greenwich are behind it. The Earth rotates from west to east and completes a full cycle, which has 360 degrees. Therefore, the Earth rotates 360 degrees of longitude in about 24 hours. Further, we can say that the Earth rotates through 15 degrees of longitude in 1 hour and 1 degree of longitude in 4 minutes. Standard time. The local time based on the meridian of a place is different on different meridian. If various places in the same country follow different meridians and fix their own local time, then it becomes quite complex to prepare and follow the smooth functioning timetable of airways, railways, etc., as they need to cross various meridians. To overcome this difficulty in India, we follow 82.5 degree east and 82 degree 30 minutes as a standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the entire country and known as the Indian Standard Time, that is IST. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned in this module. Globe shows a spherical model of Earth. An imaginary line running on the globe, dividing it into two equal parts, is called equator. Latitudes are measured in degrees. It is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at poles. There are 4 important parallels of latitude: the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle, the Antarctic Circle. Torrid, temperate, and frigid are 3 heat zones of the Earth. Longitude is an imaginary line that specifies the east-west position of a point on Earth's surface. The meridian which passes through Greenwich is known as the prime meridian.